give up their prized possessions, selling them on eBay, Craigslist, or even their local pawn shop.
If you do need to sell some of your things, there are some things you really should think about before you go. Alexis Brito, live this morning at a pawn shop in Orlando. Alexis, what are people bringing in that's worth a lot of money, and what do they say you should just leave at home because you're going to get nothing out of it?
You know what people really bring in? They bring in everything. You know, a lot of jewelry, a lot of gold, because gold is up right now. But you know, you might have one of these in the back of your closet or something. Remember when you decided to take, or you wanted to take guitar lessons or a musical instrument? You know, I have here Mike Wilson, the owner here of Cash Value Pawn. You know, what are they bringing in?
I see a wide variety of things. Like I said, from guitars to family heirlooms to vehicles to boats now. Pretty much everything under the sun is up for a pawn or a loan these days.
Now, Mike, how does it work? Some people have never been. I've never been to a pawn shop before. So how does it work? You know, there's two options. A, I can bring in, like for instance, a guitar, get money for it, leave right away. But it's also like a loan, you're saying.
It is a loan, and we have the option. You can either just sell me the item if you want, or you can come in and borrow that money against the item and come back to get it in a later date. Pay a little bit of interest on the loan, and you get your stuff back. We don't necessarily have to buy everything that walks through the door. We're more than willing to buy anything that does come through the door if you do so choose to sell it. It's a simple process. I mean, just fill out a simple form. We fill it out for you, sign it, the dotted line, and we're down the road. You've got your money, you're down the road, and you have the option to come back and pick it up if you so choose to.
What's a good way for people to see what the items that they have beforehand, to see if they're going to be getting a good value for it?
I encourage people to go and look. There's a lot of resources online, eBay, for example, and the completed auction side. You can look up your particular item and see what the average price is, what it's selling for. You know, of course, we're not going to be able to offer you that, but we'll be glad to get close to that as best we can.
Shop around.
Shop around, exactly.
Thank you so much. And of course, you know, we're going to be talking all morning long about the different items that people are bringing in and how much you could get for some items that you might have, like this guitar or a guitar stored away. And, you know, if you need money, it might be a good option to visit your local pawn shop. Live in Orange County, Alexis Brito, Fox 35 News.
Right now.